Hey everyone, welcome back to Gifty's Kitchen Delights. Today I'm going to share with you a quick and easy dinner recipe that you can make during a busy weeknight. It's my shrimp sausage and vegetable foil bake. This is so easy to put together and it comes out super delicious. It's all wrapped up in a foil and baked in the oven, and you can definitely use your favorite vegetables, and I cannot wait to share with you guys, so let's get started. Let's start by putting the seasonings for this. So in a small bowl, add in 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of lemon pepper, half teaspoon of thyme or oregano, pepper to taste, and salt to taste. Give this a good stir to combine the seasonings together and set this aside. In another large mixing bowl, add in 1 yellow squash that's sliced, 1 zucchini that's sliced, 1 bell pepper that's cubed, half onion that's cubed, 1 sausage that's sliced, and 1 pound of shrimp that's cleaned and deveined. Sprinkle in the seasoning that was made earlier, and pour in 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Give this a good mix till everything is combined really well. Cover this and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. And when it's time to bake, take a sheet of foil and spoon in a generous amount of the vegetable and shrimp mixture. Fold all 4 sides of the foil to cover. And transfer the foil packet onto a baking sheet. Repeat this with the rest. And bake this at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 22 to 25 minutes. This foil pack is packed with flavor and made quickly. You can serve this with rice or tortilla or the sides of your choice. If you enjoyed watching this dinner recipe, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to see more delicious recipes. And don't forget to check out my previous recipes, and I'll see y'all soon with a new recipe video. Thanks for watching. Bye!